So I'm Alyssa. I'm a second-year master's student at the University of Tokyo. I'm here to just introduce a theory that informs the talks today. Talks today are informed by the Stigmergy Network Theory, as introduced and outlined by Professor Marvin Uehara. In summary, these are autonomous acts that leave digital traces to be reproducible in domains and become scalable by platforms. And when I was reading this theory, I thought it was really interesting because it's inspired by a study in 1959 by a person called Pierre-Paul Grasset on insect behavior. And the theory shows that the environment can mediate a lot of our many forms of communication that build our social interactions and our social lives. Some contemporary examples of this stigmergy include the indirect collaboration. Some of us may not know we take advantage of every day. Some of us use Wikipedia a lot or GitHub, and these are kind of examples of shared media on the internet that are products of these autonomous acts on scalable platforms.